Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to insert a clip between two clips in DaVinci Resolve. First of all, open the DaVinci app on your PC and make sure it is updated to the latest version available. After that, open a recent project or just create a new one. Now your editing timeline will be displayed. You can see that I am currently in the editing section and a bunch of videos are placed in the timeline. Here, if I drag the seek line, you can see that it is automatically attracted to the joining point of both the clips. If this isn't the case for you, you can try pressing the up arrow key and it will get to the target point. Now, in order to insert a clip between two videos, simply click and drag the target video from media pool and place it on the seek line. You can see that the video is automatically inserted between them. So that's all for this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Thanks.